Good morning, students. Welcome to your next class of computers. Today, in this session, we will complete our chapter number 1. That is, what was the name of the first chapter? I hope that everybody has seen the previous video where I had described about the computer, a electronic machine. So let's come back to our first chapter, chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is Computer. Let's spell computer COMPUTER. Computer, a machine. Here, Sir has tried to draw a diagrammatic representation of computer, which you commonly see at your home, you have seen at your school and offices. Okay, this common system, which available at most of the places, is known as desktop. Sir has described why it is known as desktop. It requires more space, like a table, complete table, hence it is desktop. So sir in the last class has described that computer, which we see at so many places for doing our so many work, it is first of all a machine. MACHINE, machine. In the previous class, I had described what does machine means. Machine are those devices which helps to do our work, like washing machine helps to wash our clothes, like pressure cooker helps to cook our food, like fan provides us air, like refrigerator it helps us to cool the things. Yes or no? Like your bike or your car helps to go from one place to another, like your bicycle. So all these devices which help us to do our work are known as machine. So computer also help us to do our work, hence computer is a machine. So now we will learn more about computer. Okay, in the previous class, I had described that what is machine, and computer is an electronic machine. सर ने आपको बताया था why it is known as electronic machine. कंप्यूटर को इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन क्यों कहते हैं? Like आपका washing machine, your washing machine, when it works, when you switch on the power, आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से उसे कनेक्ट करते हैं. Similarly, computers also require electricity. Yes or no? Then in the previous class, we studied about different machines works on different fuels. Yes or no? Like your motorbike, your car, they run on fuel. उनको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होता है. Your bicycle, आप जब पैडल करते हैं, then it move, तो it doesn't require electricity. Some machine require electricity and some machine do not require electricity. So those machine which require electricity for work, to do work, are known as electronic machine, and your computer is a electronic machine. I hope that everybody had learned about this in the previous classes video. Now in today's class we would discuss what does a computer do on page number 11. Here we will discuss the 6 benefits, or you can say 6 advantages or 6 good things about computer, because we are using computer for so many places, for doing so many works. So what are those? Why we use some computer for so many works? I hope this all content is clear. In case if anybody has any doubt or anything, you can put up on the group. We are available. We will definitely solve you out. Okay? So let's go for the thing. What does a computer do, or why we use computer so much? First is computer doesn't get tired or bored. Doesn't get tired or bored means when we have lot of work, yes or no, when we write one page, when we write 2 pages, we get tired, हम थक जाते हैं, बहुत सारा काम करते करते हम थक जाते हैं. Even if we play for a long time, हम थक जाते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा देर खेल लिया. वैसे तो हम नहीं खेलते खेलते थकते, बट स्टिल अगर हम बहुत ज्यादा खेल लेते हैं तब भी हम थक जाते हैं. ओके, बट कंप्यूटर नेवर गेट्स टायर्ड, वो कभी नहीं थकता. Computer can do a lot of work without getting tired. Okay, it can do lot of work for many days. Even you have seen that kabhi your father or your mother have lot of work from their offices. Nowadays, like from the pandemic times, they are working from home. So you can see that they are working from morning to evening on the computer. कभी पापा थक जाते हैं, कभी मम्मी थक जाता है, but computer नहीं थकता. Computer can work for a long time. That's why we use computer so much, because it never get tired, it never get bored. कभी आप काम करते हुए थक जाते, बोर हो जाते हैं. मम्मा, how many times I have to write this? I am bored. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. आप ऐसा बोलते हैं? Yes or no? But computer says never. It never get bored. It's always ready to do work. And same work can be done again and again, again and again. Okay, that's why computer never gets bored and tired, hence we use computer so much. Then the next, computer can do so many things at same time. Can do so many things at same time means computer can do lots of things at the same time. It can work for your papa, your father, or your mother for office work. It can work for your brother and sister, their computer work or their school work or college work. You can see movies on it. So many works it can do at the same time. Like your mama can also do at the same time. She can cook, she can make you teach, she can clean the house. Okay, she can work. Mama also can do so many things. Like computer can also do so many things at the same time. So we don't need to buy different computer for different work. Like if you have to watch movie, आपको एक computer लेना पड़ेगा. If you have to watch do work, office work, you have to buy another computer. Not like this. The same computer, the single computer can do all the works. The third is it can work very fast. Okay, lot of instructions, lot of calculations can be done by computer in minutes, in seconds. You will blink your eyes, आप पलक झपकाएंगे और कंप्यूटर काम कर लेगा. That's how computer works so much fast. Lots of instruction, lots of work can be done in just quick seconds. So computer can work very fast. Then computer has a special capacity that it can remember lot of things. It can remember lot of things as a human being. As we human being, we may sometime forgot thing. Yes or no? आप भी कभी भूल जाते हैं. कभी आपको पापा या मम्मा कुछ कहते हैं करने के लिए, एंड थोड़ी देर बाद में जब आपसे पूछते हैं तो आप कहते हो ओह मैं तो भूल गया. या जैसे कि द कंटेंट और द टॉपिक विच यू हैव लर्न टुडे, जो चीज आपने लर्न किया है, द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन वी आस्क, द नेक्स्ट डे योर पेरेंट्स आस्क और योर टीचर आस्क, आप कहते हो ना मैं भूल गया. बट कंप्यूटर कैन नेवर forget anything. It can remember a lot of things. Computer have a big storage. It can store so many things. It can learn, it can remember so many things. बहुत सारी चीजें याद रख सकता है कंप्यूटर. You have seen that so many files or so many work of your father or mother is saved in the computer. Our school में कितना सारा वर्क होता है, all are saved in computer. Yes or no? your elder sisters or brothers, their work is saved in computer. So many works are there which is saved in computer. So that means computer have a huge storage. It stores things like हमारे पास में cupboard, suitcase, we have cupboard, suitcase, we have drawers for putting up, storing the things. Similarly, computer has a storage memory. What is it? It is memory in which it store all the things, all the data or information. So computer can store a lot of things. Then one more, computer can never make mistake. The work done by computer is always correct. It never make mistakes. ये गलतियां नहीं करता है. If the data, if the number, if the value given by the user, if the instruction given by the user, that is us, अगर हमने instruction और command और अगर value correct दिया है, सही दिया है, then computer will generate the correct answer. So computer never make mistakes. We can make mistake, human can make mistake. Sometimes you also make mistakes, है ना? Addition करते समय, subtraction करते समय गलती हो जाता है, but computer can never make mistake. It always gives you the correct or right answer, and due to all these factors, it never gets bored or tired. It can do so many things. It work very fast. It remember lot of things. It never make mistakes. Hence, it saves the time, which is most valuable. It saves the time. ये हमारा time बचाता है. Time is valuable. Yes or no? हमें time का respect करना चाहिए. We have to take care of time. We have to do all the work on time. So it saves the time. It helps us to do all the work on time. It works all things very fast. It remembers the content. Okay. It never make mistake. Which happens to it save time. Okay. Like if you have to if you have to write 1 or 2 page, it will take time. Half hour, 1 hour. Yes or no? But computer can print that 2 pages in 1 minute. So देखा, जो काम आप 2 घंटे में 2 hours में complete करते हैं, computer can do it in 1 minute. So computer is fast, it saves your time. So these are the factors, these are the advantages. ये computer की speciality है. हम पूछते हैं ना, what is special in you? So these are specialities of computer which makes computer so popular, so useful that we are using at so many places. I would again recall where we are using. We can see computer at our home, at school, hospitals, banks, airports, stations, offices, supermarkets, so many places. Yes or no? Okay. So the computer is so popular because of these specialities. This conclude your chapter for today. I would be sharing the book reading session along with the exercise part in the upcoming videos. Then I'll share the assignment which you have to do in your textbook only. No notebook. आपको textbook में ही उसे solve करना है assignment को. For today, thank you. Take care.